In this video, I will show you how to close all Safari tabs at once on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap the two overlapping squares tab icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to view all your open tabs. Tap and hold on any tab. A menu will appear with options like Close Other Tabs or Close Number Tabs. For example, close 180 tabs. Select the option that says Close Other Tabs or Close Number Tabs. If this prompt window pops up, then confirm by tapping Close All. All of your Safari tabs will be closed instantly. If you accidentally close tabs you wanted to keep, you can quickly reopen recently closed tabs by tapping and holding the plus icon in the tab view. All your recently closed tabs will be listed here.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.